everyone. Welcome back at Sowson here. We're working with fresh avocados today and we're going to make you a beautiful guacamole. My way of doing it. There are many versions out there, but I really believe that this one is the best. Let's get started. Alright guys, avocados are pretty scary stuff to play with. I don't recommend that you hold it and bang it, okay? Best way to go, I'll show you. Gonna slice it up, open it up. That's it. Woo, beautiful. Now you place it on your board. Do not hold it with your hand. Keep everything away from it. And bang. Easy. Make sure your avocados are nice and ripe. If they're not ripe, you can't put the spoon through and you won't be able to take them out. And if they're not ripe, then they're not going to be any good to you. So we're going to drop it in. All right guys, we've got 3 gorgeous avocados. Now I'm going to add onions, parsley and chili, and that will give it a punch. Now if any of these ingredients you don't want, you don't need to have them. You add what you want and put your name on it. But this is half a red onion, 1 red chili, a little bit of parsley, just a sprinkle all over. Okay, let's get this going. We're going to mush it all together. I also have natural Greek yogurt. I'm going to take one, maybe a little bit more, spoons of this, and that will take away the creaminess of the avocado and give you more of a tang in the guacamole. We've got lime juice, salt, pepper. Okay guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, just a slice of lemon. That's it. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Bit of tomato right on top. Isn't that beautiful? Now, the taste test. I've actually left it a little bit lumpy because it just tastes better. This is really good. My grandkids are going to love this. Really, really good. Until next week, stay tuned. We have a beautiful dish for you. Please like and subscribe.